I know what you're thinking. What does this ski do? What does this ski do? Well, how about I tell you? They're completely adjustable to adjust to rider settings or terrain. This thing has the 850 two-stroke engine. That means it's super powerful, super light. It's also got these cool foot pegs for when you're screaming around corners, and all it's missing is you. Blizzard means it's great for deep snow, and the short track means it's great for trails up north in Wisconsin. This one is also studded already for you, so you don't have to do that. Also has a storage bag right there. You've got some hand guards in the front. That's pretty great. Endless Motorsports. So easy.